I believe in miracles. Where are you from? Why did that pop into my head? You said something and it triggered that.
I know that song.
Yeah. You sexy thing.
Welcome to the Weekly Chew!
Woo, that was good.
That was like on point. We didn't even practice before.
I know.
You guys literally saw us try to do that.
Went for it.
I love
Welcome
it.
everybody. For those that don't know us, my name is Shay.
I'm Mel.
And we're doing something new and I'm really excited about it.
That's great.
We are both bariatric patients. We had weight loss surgery, and one of the things that I have found to be one of the key parts of my journey is learning how to prepare food, how to buy food. And it's not just as simple as that. There's a lot involved. There's a lot of planning and learning. And so my heart with a lot of it, right? I really wanted to share these tools with everybody and share what I've learned, how to meal plan, how to grocery shop. And so part of this Patreon service that we're offering is that every week you're gonna be getting a new plan of meals. It's gonna have all of the meals for the week for breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snacks. Because as bariatric patients, we need to be eating, guys. Like, yeah, we need to eat. And so we're gonna have that listed. We're gonna have the groceries listed of what you need to get for that week. I've tried to curate it so that way a lot of the ingredients overlap, so you're able to use the same ingredient for multiple different meals, which hopefully will be helpful. And then we'll have recipes on how to make them. But the reason we're here today, do you want to tell them why we're here today?
Why are we here today?
Because we're doing freezer meals
That's right.
as a way to kick off.
We are starting with freezer meals,
Yes.
guys, because again, you need to put those in the freezer.
Yeah.
Yep.
And freezer meals have been a lifesaver for me. I love that you can plan them, you can do them ahead. I found with meal planning and prepping, I do so much better when I can kind of block out time, like what we're doing.
Yes.
Of just buying all the groceries all at once, prepping a bunch of different things, having them in the freezer, so that way when you get off work and you're tired and you don't know what to make, you can just pop something in the oven. You're gonna have a protein dense meal that's yummy and tastes good, and you don't have to do a lot of work or thinking. So that's why I love freezer meals.
That's why I wanted to do this with her, was because like I know what it's like to get off work and deal with kids and deal with a husband, and then being like, what are we gonna do for dinner?
That frantic panic.
Yes.
Of like, oh gosh.
And then we're like, did you take any meat out? Shit, I didn't. Oh,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to go out to eat. Wait, we don't have money for that. We need to figure this out. So now we have a system. We're gonna have a full system. Like, I have a sleeve tummy. I'm 10 years out. I still need help. I still need to plan and prepare.
Yep.
Like, this is a lifelong thing, guys. And we want to reiterate again, you need to eat.
Yes.
You need to eat food. Food is very important to our bodies, and literally for our brain function, for us to feel good. So we need to not be thinking, okay, like we're bariatric patients, we just need to eat less and little tiny things. Like, you need to hit the goals so you can feel good.
Yeah. Okay, I pause for a second.
Pause.
Ted farted, that wasn't me.
Ah!
Smell it. It smells so bad. Ted is literally under our feet right now.
Ah!
Do you smell it?
I don't.
Oh, good. Don't sniff too much.
Don't
I was like,
sniff too much.
I was like, great. Mel's gonna be like talking and then being like, oh, great. She's like ripping ass over here.
No,
That's
just
Ted.
your doggy.
That's Ted. I just wanted to clarify that.
I love that, Ted. You're just stinking up the kitchen.
Yep. Little by little.
But you know what? We're gonna make it smell good.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the first step will probably be getting Ted out of here.
What are all the meals?
Yes.
So, should I name all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go for it.
All right, so the first one we're gonna do is egg bites. Second is yogurt and berry bark, which I'm very excited about. Fiesta lime chicken, breakfast burritos, breakfast sandwiches, and if you know me, I love breakfast anything, so I'm very excited. There's chocolate chip cookies, there are chocolate chip muffins, there are marinara meatballs, beef and potato casserole.
So this is kind of my new spin I've been doing off of tater tot casserole.
Okay.
It's very similar.
Oh, okay.
But it's been a little different.
We got lasagna, and then we have chicken pot pie casserole, and then white chicken chili. And I just had some of her chicken pot pie casserole, and it was delicious.
That's one of my husband Dylan. It's like anything chicken pot pie is his favorite. So it's like if you make it into a casserole,
Easy peasy,
Easy,
man.
easy.
All right, we're doing the egg bites. Something that's my favorite, and it's such a good source of protein. And we're gonna do 2 different ones, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna do a pork version, like regular breakfast sausage, and then we're gonna do a apple chicken.
Yep. So we're doing one that I know you will like for sure.
Yep.
Another one that's going to be a little different and adventurous. So we're going to make the egg bites and then we're going to freeze them after they've cooled and stuff. So that's how they become freezer meals. So we'll make all of them and then we'll cool them and then we'll store them just in freezer bags. So that way you can pull them out and just put them, like usually how I'll do it is just get like a wet paper towel, put it on top, and then just pop them in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute, minute and a half, depending on your microwave.
What if you want to use an air fryer?
Oh yeah, air fryers would be great. I think the only thing I would caution you on is that they don't dry out. Like that could maybe dry it out a little bit. But with the cottage cheese in there, it makes it a little harder to dry them out. So I would say go for it and try it. You can be our guinea pig.
I remember when I tried to make the Starbucks ones. And when they called for cottage cheese, I was very confused. But now I know why.
Yeah, it's good.
It makes everything creamier, thicker, and higher in protein.
Yep. So I'm gonna get started on cooking the sausage. What I would love for you to do is start cracking eggs in our little dish here. Let's do a total of 16 eggs. So I have more outside that I'll go grab.
Okay.
So we'll do 16 eggs, which would be, and then 16, you're our math queen. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So it'll be 4 cups.
Okay.
Of that.
So we'll have 4 cups of cottage cheese,
and
16 eggs.
Yes, so, and we're making it, so again, with these recipes, you might have to do a little bit of math to figure out like how much you want to make, but I'm wanting to make enough for you to take home, you and Dill, and then me and my Dill. So that's why we're doing kind of more recipes to customize it. So
yeah, and of course we have the best Dills.
Yes, of course. Okay, let me get more eggs.
I love the smell of sausage. I'm not gonna lie.
That's what she said.
Did she though?
Did she? Well, because we did 16 eggs.
Yep.
We're gonna do 4 cups.
Yep.
So it's a 4-to-1 ratio. Every 4 eggs, you can do 1 cup of cottage cheese.
Okay. And yes, I look nervous because I am nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I've always beaten the eggs first.
Oh, well, we're gonna do something completely different.
I can see that, which I'm totally okay with. It's just weird.
See, but this is just my style of cooking. It's like, especially with stuff that's like lower stakes like this, we're not needing to be precise with how many egg bites we make, right?
We don't?
No. Because they will get eaten, and that's why I like freezer meals though, because you can
use them whenever.
Yeah, it's not like they're gonna go bad super fast.
Fair.
All right, I'm just gonna cut up these chicken sausages. I'm gonna try to make them kind of small, because you don't want super big bites of anything in the egg bites.
No, that would bother me. That would drive me nuts.
All right, friends, so we have our eggs, we have our cottage cheese that Mel was very nervous about putting in before whisking the eggs.
Yes.
But there's a reason behind it. I always have a reason.
You do.
For a method to my madness, if you will.
Yes.
So first, we want to season this. So we have salt. And again, this is where I measure with my heart. You know that I do this. So we have to keep in mind there's 16 eggs in here, and there's 4 cups of cottage cheese, and they don't have any seasoning yet. So it might look like a lot of what I'm putting in, but it's a lot to season.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna put, probably ends up being maybe like 2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Is that what it looked like to you?
I would say 1.5.
1.5. Cool.
For sure.
And we can always add more salt later. I tend to kind of undersalt with things because you can always add more. You can't.
Can never take it away.
No, unfortunately. And I've had the mistake with that with things before, and it's so sad.
Same thing with hotness. Like jalapenos, habaneros, any peppers. You cannot take the spice away. So you just have to slowly add and taste as you go. And if you are a chef not tasting your food as you go, what's wrong with you?
Sorry, I might sneeze from the pepper.
That's a lot of pepper.
I know. But again, we're seasoning a lot of stuff.
Now, my question was, I was told not to put the pepper's fine, but the salt prior to beating and egging is that it can make it watery.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I haven't heard that.
It's from Gordon Ramsay.
Oh, shoot. Don't tell on me to him.
I won't tell Gordon that you did that. That's
But
our secret.
Maybe this is kind of a little caveat or like a little loophole, because we're not going to be whisking these.
Well, and I think there's a loophole because there's cottage cheese on it.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So don't tell
So when you put it on the cottage cheese, I was like, okay.
So we're not whisking though. We're gonna be immersion blending.
Ooh, the immersion blender.
Yes.
Those things are cool.
Yeah, so they're awesome. I didn't bring it out yet because my dog Ted hates the noise. So I'm just I'm warning everybody on live right now. It does.
Oh!
So the second I pull it out, he's gonna freak out. So I'm gonna make sure that we'll edit this so you guys don't hear him, but you can see what we're doing. I'll put like some cool, funky music.
Yes.
But he gets loud.
Alright guys, it's time for the liners.
The liners. And we're
for
not
our
talking
egg
about panty liners.
No panty liners.
Not talking about...
My pool liner.
Nope, we're not talking about eyeliner.
No eyeliner.
The 40 liners.
The 40 liners. You can tell we're big sports people here.
The 49ers.
Yep.
You said liners.
I know, this is
Yeah.
what it said. We're gonna just line these babies up. I was telling Mel that it just makes it a little easier for storage in the freezer. It kind of protects the egg bites, so that's why we're gonna line them up.
Oh, you're not pushing yours down?
What are you doing?
I was pushing mine down. Do I not do
Oh
that?
yeah, you can push it down.
I was like,
Yeah, no, you're good.
you know me, I'm like, I need to do it exactly how the recipe says to
You
do.
do you, boo.
So
that's how we do in my kitchen.
I know.
So on this pan, I'm gonna start doing for my little weirdo ones.
Oh, you're weirdo.
My weirdo ones.
The apple ones?
Yeah, so I have feta cheese. I love feta. Everything is better with feta.
Yep.
That should be, we need to use that for something.
Everything's better with feta.
So I'm
so
going to just put a little bit of feta cheese on the bottom. And for yours, you can start putting some Colby Jack in there.
I love me some Colby Jack, guys. The mix.
And again, you just want to use your heart with this. Listen to your heart when you're pouring feta. Look, we are bringing karaoke just naturally. It's just, it lives within us.
You're very music inclined people.
All right, now we're gonna do a spinach. Again, the spinach will wilt, but we're also remembering we're gonna be putting sausage and egg in here still. So I'm just gonna tear it up with my hands like this and just kind of sprinkle a little bit. So,
All right.
let's rearrange this a little bit here so we can both access the spinach.
It's funny because I actually rip it apart for my own salads anyway.
Yeah,
Like
I don't know if this is true. I have to fact check this, but I think I saw or heard somewhere, or somebody just lied to me and made this up because they thought it'd be funny, is that when you like tear it, it like releases nutrients.
Yeah, I was told the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is that real?
I think it might be.
Yeah, so this is your sausage to spoon in your cups.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah, perfect.
You want me to hold it for you? Or would you like to spoon it?
No, I think you go for it. You're spooning it very nicely.
I'm not gonna lie, these look good.
Do you want to try one just to see if you like it?
I think I might.
do a taste test.
Little guy.
There you go.
Okay, that's good.
And so when I'm talking about like doing different flavors and stuff, you have the sweetness from the apple, right?
Yep.
The sausage, which is going to be a bit more savory, and they have probably spices in there that make it a bit more savory. But then feta is really salty. And so actually, here, hold on. We're going to do a fun little experiment. Ready?
Oh, we're experimenting.
This is how you learn what flavors go with what. So here, hold out your hand. You're gonna do a little bit of that. Don't eat it yet.
But everything's better with feta.
Now eat those two together.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm. It's like taking vitamins.
They are good together.
So what are you picking up on with those flavors together?
So feta right away, like the salty.
Mm-hmm.
And then I get the notes of the apple and then the savory of the sausage.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, look at you.
Right?
Look at you. But yeah, like, you're right with pairing the things. Like, you
It just has to
know.
be paired correctly. Alright, let me get a little ladle. It's made out of silver.
That one is, for sure.
Yes.
I'll let you do this one.
Well, here, I'll do a couple
'Cause
just to
I'm-
show you, and then
yeah.
you can do a couple. I'll do mine, and you can do yours.
Okay, because
So-
I'm very nervous.
What are you nervous about?
Getting
Spilling
it
it?
all
Oh
messy.
no, the world will end.
I needed a mom like her. Because it would have ended.
No, not here. No, so I'm just pouring it, and they will puff up a little bit, so I'm just filling it so it's... Well, I'm just filling it so there's a little bit left in the liner.
Yes, I see that. Because they are going to plump up.
Mm-hmm.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but I do believe that the cottage cheese in it helps it get fluffy.
Yes. Yeah, it kind of keeps it moist. I know people don't like that word.
I don't mind it.
I know, I don't really
Moist
either.
it up, people.
Moist it up.
Not caring, that's for sure.
Okay, now it's all you, baby.
All right.
I'm gonna get my water.
You gotta go get your water. Eggs, 4 cups of cottage cheese will make 36 egg bites.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty rad.
Yeah, so we're gonna get these in the oven. They're gonna cook. I have had the oven preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna stick them in and, yeah, that would be very hot. We're gonna stick them in, cook them for about 30 minutes. I'll probably check them at the 20-minute marker just to make sure they're looking okay. And then kind of go from there if we need to do the full 30.
So when you look at 20 minutes, what are you looking for?
So at 20 minutes, I just want to see it, like how cooked they are.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be looking for, is the egg still runny? Is it puffed up and almost cooked? Do we want to pull it out? I just hate when eggs are overcooked, so I just try to be mindful of that. But an easy way that you can check to see how done it is, or if the eggs are still runny, it's kind of like cake, where you can put a little toothpick, or you can do a knife or a fork.
Use a butter knife.
Yeah, and just kind of put it in. If it's still kind of wet and gooey, they need to cook longer. If it comes out clean and nothing's there, they're done.
Done.
Yeah.
Now, do you want me to wipe up the sides and stuff?
Would it make you feel better to
Yes.
do that? Then you are more than welcome to.
Thank you.